Right. So in this video, let's try to do some examples. So in the previous video, we had done the up to three videos, three programs, right? Now let's go with the fourth one. That is write a comprehension. Write a comprehension. Okay. Uh, to get all ages which are in 30s, all ages which are in 30s. That means we want the ages which are in 30s. That means between 30 to 39. 30 to 39. Okay. So now let's apply again for loop for I in employees. For I in employees. Now, like previous examples, first time I value what here EMP1. Now I want EMP1 age. That age I will check with whether it is between 30 to 39 or not. Okay. So like that, take one by one age. We'll take one by one age and I will check it. If it is in 30s, then take in the output list format. Okay. So I'm making directly comprehension. So if employees of I of what I want now, I want to take the age. If that age, so first time I value what now EMP1, that EMP1 age how much here 30, first time 30 is coming, that 30 I want, that 30 if it is in 30 to 39 I want to take the list, right? So I take here, uh, we'll take now in okay, so in 30 to 39 guys, right? We can take all the numbers right, or else that age greater than which number equal to 30, and that same age guys, that same age should be less than how much here 30 40 guys, less than 40 means up to 39. If that age between 30 to 39, then that age I want to take here into the a new list guys, a new list I am taking here. That list we are going to print here, that list I am going to print here. That's all. Now let's try this one and let's see here all ages which are between 30 to 39. So those are 30 and 35. These two ages in 30s guys. Okay, right. So for explanation purpose, I'm going to decrease font size and I'll explain guys. Okay, I'm taking now less font size. Yes. Now, so let's see how it executes. As we know that in comprehension, first for loop executes, for loop, then if condition. Once if condition is true, then that will append to the list guys. That means we're taking the one logic, what logic here append to the list. Okay. So now first time I value what guys, as we know that first time I value is EMP1 guys, all of observe. So first time I value what here, I value is EMP1, and then that I next going to if condition guys, going to if condition. So employees of EMP1 of age, what's age, first time is 30, right? 30 guys. So here 30 is coming, 30 what's condition, greater than or equal to again 30 guys, right? 30 next and next what is there here again, the same I value guys, it's going to here also EMP1, right? Again employees of EMP1 age, how much first age coming, first age only 30 is coming. Okay, so that 30 again less than what's condition is 40 guys. Now check the two conditions. So 30 greater than or equal to 30, it is true, first time it is true, and 30 less than 40, it's also true, it's also true, both are true guys. If both are true, then that I will go to logic or expression. Now employees of EMP1 of age, what is the age now, 30, right? That 30 will come to the result guys. Now 30 coming here, 30 coming like that. So now first iteration over. Now let's go with the second iteration guys. Now take second iteration. Second time I value what here? EMP2. Second time I value EMP2 guys. Now EMP2 is coming. EMP2, EMP2. Now that I again going to condition. So it's going to here first check this condition guys. Check this condition. So EMP2, right? Implies of EMP2 age. Implies of EMP2 age. What is here? 25 coming. Okay. So now 25 coming here. 25 greater than or equal to how much guys? 30. So this is true or false now? This is true or false? It is false guys. It is false. When it is false, it won't check the second one also guys. Not required. Why? And means if both are true, then only result is true guys. If anyone is false, completely that condition is false. That's why. So first one is false, right? No need to check the second also guys. No need to check this one. It became false already. Then that I will skip. What is that I? EMP2 will skip guys here. EMP2 will not go to the logic. Next one. What the next time I value here? Next time I value EMP3. Next time I value EMP3 guys. Okay, EMP3. That is the I value. EMP3. Now this EMP3 is going to if condition guys. EMP3. Now in place of EMP3 age. EMP3 age. What is the EMP3 age? 23, right? So now it will take here like 23 greater than or equal to 30. So first one true or false? It is false guys. It is false already. It is false, right? If the first one is false, no need to check the second. Why? Automatically the main entire if condition is false. Why you are taking the and, right? And means both must be true. Okay, already it is false, so automatically entire if is false. Means that EMP3 also EMP3 this one guys, right? Previous one EMP2. This is EMP3. Previously it was EMP2 guys. Okay, EMP2. Next one. Let's take EMP4 guys. Now we'll take the EMP4. Next time EMP4 is coming. That EMP4 again going to if condition. Implies of EMP4 age. Implies of EMP4 age. What is the age now? 26 coming. Now, so here the 26, the 26, checking here, 26 greater than or equal to 30. So true or false? It is false guys. It is false. Then automatically the entire if is false. That means EMP4 also skipping guys. EMP4 also skipping here. EMP4 skipping. Next one, what's I value? EMP5 guys. Next time I value is what? EMP5. It's also going to if condition. I am place of EMP5 age. What is the age here? 35 now. What is the age? 35 guys. Okay. Now the first condition is the 35 greater than or equal to 30. This one true or false? It is true, right? It is true guys. Now check the second condition also. Again the same I going to second condition also guys. Now in place of EMP5 age. What is EMP5 age again? 35, right? Again the same 35 are checking here also. 35 less than how much here? 40 guys. This is true or false? It is true. Now both are true, right? Both are true guys. True and true. Which one finally if is true? If is true, then going to expression guys. In place of EMP5 age. What is the age? 35, right? That also coming the result. So now 35 coming here guys. How much coming now? 35 or 35 coming here. 35 like this. And last one. For last one I value EMP6, right? Last time I value EMP6. It's also going to condition. In place of EM6 age. What is the age now? 20 here. If you observe here exactly, number 20 is there, right? So here that 20 greater than or equal to 30. True or false? False guys. Means first condition is false. No need to check the second because entire false automatically. That means EMP6 also skipping, right? EMP6 also skipping guys. Right, like that now all iterations over. No other iteration, okay? Once all iteration over, the result I want to keep in the square brackets. Means list format guys. That's why we have taken the beginning ending square brackets. That's why the output in the list format and finally print is there. Print means it will display to the user guys. So finally what is the answer now? 30, 35 is the answer. Okay. I hope guys you understand this one. Please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and follow us on Instagram Python Narayana. Thank you so much guys. Bye.